Introducing the Murphy Radical Easy Build Kit, crafted for speed, precision, and simplicity. Our factory experienced team assists in pre-drilling every component with pilot holes, guided by laser markings that indicate precise drilling locations, generated from high-definition 3D CAD models, ensuring unmatched accuracy and durability. Pre-cut and pre-machined parts eliminate the need for builders to cut or machine components themselves, ensuring more precision and smoother results. With 50% less time required, our Easy Build Kit gets you closer to the sky faster than ever before. If you can build furniture from kits, you can build a Murphy Radical, designed for everyone, from experienced builders to first-timers. Engineered for precision, built for ease, the Murphy Radical Easy Build Kit is your gateway to hassle-free aircraft building. Experience the future of kit plane building today. Save time, build smarter. Order your Murphy Radical Easy Build Kit now.